In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train your staff on QuickBooks Time effectively. By the end, you'll have a simple plan to help your team track hours, submit timesheets, and manage schedules accurately. Start by launching QuickBooks Time from QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, go to All Apps, choose Time, and select Launch QuickBooks Time. Make sure everyone who needs access is added to your team and can sign in before training begins, so you can focus on how to use the tools rather than account setup. Begin with the My Team and Time Entries areas. Demonstrate how to clock in at the start of a shift and clock out when finished. If your company requires it, show how to switch tasks or add notes during a shift. Walk through submitting time entries at the end of the day or week and explain that accuracy matters. Clarify how breaks are recorded, either by using a dedicated break button or by adding a break to the entry, so they're properly deducted. Explain that overtime is tracked based on your company's rules, which means employees should avoid estimating and stick to actual start, stop, and break times. Next, cover schedules. Open the Schedule tab and show how staff can view assigned shifts and any job details included. Point out how schedule change notifications work and encourage employees to keep notifications enabled so they never miss an update. Move on to approvals and notifications. Show managers where to approve timesheets and approvals and explain the timeline for approvals each pay period. Review the types of alerts employees receive, such as reminders to clock in or out or requests to correct missing entries, so they know how to respond quickly. Also demonstrate how time-off requests are submitted and where employees can track the status of those requests. Have everyone practice using both the mobile app and the web app. Show that clock-ins, schedule updates, and approvals sync in real time, so changes made on one device appear everywhere. Encourage staff to test clocking in, taking a break, and clocking out on both platforms. Finally, open time entries and go to Reports to show how hours are summarized. Emphasize that accurate entries directly affect payroll, time-off balances, and project costs, so reviewing entries before submission is essential. For ongoing support, remind your team to use Help and Support within QuickBooks Time and to ask questions early. Set a recurring check-in to review corrections and share feedback so processes keep improving. That's how to train staff on QuickBooks Time for accurate time tracking and payroll processing. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.